Hello everybody, welcome to my Crafter's Cove. I thought we would do something really quick today because I thought that these little hidden paper clips that I was doing were turning out pretty darn cute. So I wanted to show you how to make them. It's really easy and I thought you would have fun with it. So I've got some pretty papers here that I thought I would use from I think it's Forever Faithful kit. I thought they were so pretty. You're going to only need 2 of these. It's very similar to the pocket that I did, but I'll show you the difference as we go along. So these are both 3 by 3 inches by 3 inches. You can do 4 inches by 4. If you go a little smaller than 3 by 3, like to a 2 by 2, that make it pretty tiny, and I'm not sure how that would work out. I think so far 3 by 3 is the smallest I've done, and I'm going to score them right down the middle at the 1.5 mark, and I'm going to do that for both of them. There's the first one, and let's see, there's 1.5. There we go. And then we're going to turn it. So you got your score line that's running this way, and you're going to turn it, and you're going to score it at the 1, on the 1, and you're going to score the other one at the 1/2 mark. All right, that's all the scoring that we need to do. You do not have to round your corners. I just like to, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to take the sharp edge off and just kind of round them with a corner round punch. We have one more that we're going to be rounding. We're going to fold this in half and make sure your edges are where you want them to be. Varnish that down a little bit, and where your 1 inch or 1/2 inch fold line is right here at this corner here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to do the round. And I found that if I fold it and leave it folded, it's much easier to do. I'm going to do the same with this one. I'm going to fold it. I'm going to fold it and make sure my edges are tight. Now, let's see. Make sure my edges are tight. I'm going to look at it. Looks pretty good. If I need to make an adjustment. Now my fold line for the bottom here is right, it's a 1/2 inch, so it's right there. So I'm going to fold it closed. I'm going to go ahead and round that corner. Then I'm going to take my pair of scissors and I'm just going to go ahead and ink the line for you so you can see it on both of these. We both can see it. How about that? And then I'm just going to cut right to the score line. Right to the score line. Like that. And then this one's a little shorter. All right, so that's all there is to that. And then I'm going to decide which way I want these. Right now, it is looking like I might do this way, but we'll see. We will see. I'm just straightening up my pockets a little bit, making sure that they are the way I want them. In this case, when we put these together, we are going to be putting the fold to a fold. So this is going to be the largest piece, or the one with the smallest pocket at the bottom. This one has a larger pocket. And what you're going to do is slip it inside, and that's the way you're going to go with it. And I'll show you how it's going to turn into a paper clip. What I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to invert these because I want to see what I like best. because this is the time to do that so that we can, you know, be happy with the look that we have. So I'm going to go this way. And I think I know already that I like this one a little bit better because I just like more of the florals showing. Now, you can barely see it, but there's a tiny little edge right here. That happens on all of them when you're putting a fold to a fold. So I just go ahead, grab a scissor, and just really, it's just a very slight trim, guys. It's like just maybe even whatever the edge of your scissor is. It's just very, very slight. And then that's going to go back in there like that. It's going to fold like that, and then you have your edges tight. If you want to ink, if this is the if you're an inker, and this is the time when you're going to want to ink it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Oh, I don't have to ink that side, do I? Because that's going to be covered. And these are going to be up, so I want to ink it this way. Nice thing about this is it doesn't take very long to ink those for sure. And now these little deeper pockets we're going to ink. There we go. All right. All right, so it's going to go like that. Right snug up against each other. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab our paper clip. I just have a little, I think it's, let's see, it's a little over an inch, I guess. It's almost 1.25 inches. But it's a smaller one. It's not a big clip. And I'm going to place it on the tallest, the short pocket with the tall body. Okay? And then what you're going to do, I think I'm going to scoot it up just a little bit more. Then I'm going to take this, the other one with the tall pocket, the shorter body, that's going to go over the top of it, just like this. Just like that. Now, what I do, because I'm going to hang a little charm off the end of this, I make sure it's where I want it to be, like that, and I'm going to, and when I say where I want it to be, I want to make sure that when I close this and this, that these are all folding up nice and even, okay? So I'm going to make sure that I have left myself some room for that. And then I'm going to make a little slit in the outside pocket, right where my little paper clip is. So I'm just going to put a little slit here. Doesn't have to be very big, just big enough for the paper clip to go through. Let's see if we can find it now. And we're not going to push that paper clip all the way through. We are just going to push it out, just enough, just a tiny bit like that. See how? Can you see that? Okay. That is where we're going to hang our little charm. And then we're going to go ahead and fold our little pockets into place. All right, so I like that. I think that that's going to work. I'm going to take that little piece off there. All right, so now we're just going to open up the top piece, find where our little paper clip is, and we're going to glue. We're going to glue. And when we press down with after we've glued this and we press it all down, we want to make sure that we are lined up, okay? So I'm going to fold that over. I'm going to make sure that my lines are right. I'm going to make sure that that's okay. I'm going to, that I'm going to be fixing again, but once we glue it, it'll be right where we want it. Okay, so that side, it'll take a second to get that glued, or to hold, but anyway. And I'm going to open up the other side. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. These turn out so cute. All right, I'm gonna just hold that down and turn this back over. I'm gonna put my pockets in place. Make sure they're straight. Even though we're going to be filling them, I still want them to be straight. So there's that. There's that. Oop. All right, then we're going to turn it over. We're going to do the exact same thing. We're making a pocket, so we're just going to go on the sides. And then we're going to fold it up in place. Take a look at it. If you have to maneuver it a little bit, now's the time to do that. Hold it. Do the other one. Up it comes. Hold it. And that, my friends, is the body of your little hidden paperclip. And you've got a place right, two pockets on the front and 2 pockets on the back. And you can even, this is the center where your paperclip is going to be holding. You could even stick something down in there if you wanted to. But basically, you just grab your little pieces that you might have collected together, and you might want to put a little, that goes in there. Got a little cross here. Thought that was cute. A little believe. Let's turn it around so they know. And then a little piece. Okay. I'm going to turn it over. I have a place for beloved. I have a place for, well, I think I'll put that in the back with it because I like this. Well, no, you know what I'm going to do? I like this one, I think, because I like the purples. Whether better with that. I'm going to stick that in there if I can get it. I need to trim it. If I need to trim it, I'll do it. There's that. There's that. It says it as well with my, or bless the Lord, O my soul. This one says beloved, like I told you, and that can go on that way. You can take these little pieces, like this one says gratitude, and I'm going to put that, I'm going to ink that real quick and put that on there. Get my glue. There we go. Make sure it's straight. I just realized this, whoever did this didn't spell gratitude right. So I don't know that I want that one on there actually if it's not spelled correctly. So we're going to pull that off. And you know what we're going to do, guys? We're going to put John 3:16. Sometimes the Lord does things for a reason. So we're going to put John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son. There we go. John 3:16. Perfect. All right, and then I also have a little circle here, which I think is really cute. I didn't even ink all of these little pieces. I mean, I'll probably go back and maybe ink a few and just add a few pieces. So basically, this is what this is going to look like. I'm going to add a little charm to it, because I want to show you. Now, I went out and bought some little lobster claws, and what are they called? They're little connections. connector hooks, so to speak. But I went and bought some of those, and I am not going to use those right now because it takes a little longer, and I really wanted this to be a little bit shorter video for you. I just wanted, I'm gonna do a seashell because that's what I have in place right now. What's this? Nice. All right, and then I'm just gonna hook that on there. There. And we can, what I'm going to do is it's going to make it shorter, but if you only have these, you can just put some beads on here, and it'd be just as cute as can be. But basically, that's what it looks like. And this is a little envelope that came with her kit, and you just can tuck it on like that. And there you have it. See how cute it is? And see how quickly it came together? It was super fast and super cute. So there's that one. And then I just wanted to show you that I had grabbed some paper. I grabbed some paper real quick out of the Urban Street one, and I thought it would be fun. I've already cut it out. I've already got it kind of ready to go. So I thought I would just put it together real quickly for you so that you could see another example of another type. This isn't, although these are a paper pad, it's not a kit. So I just put that together that way. And all we're going to do again is just put our paper clip in place. Put this where we want it to be. We're going to open it up. Make sure that we have our little slice where we want it. Our little slice. Let me make sure this is in the right place. All right, I'm going to put it right about here then. It's going to be my place. I will show you. I think I have one. Yeah, I did one. I'll show it to you. I promise you I will. I'm just going to open that up a little bit, make it a little easier for me to slide it through. All right. There we go. There we go. And I'll likely trim that again because I like to put my edges in the right place here. Oop. And I want to make sure that comes over. Yep. Okay, I like that. Wanted to show you really quick what I was talking to you about with regard. See how this one has a little lobster claw and a couple little gosh, I can't even remember what they're called, but they're little connectors. And then I put the crown on, and that's probably what I'll do on this other one too. I just wanted to do the other pretty quickly for you. So we're going to glue this down. And like I say, if you're going to be inking, you'll want to ink before you glue, or yeah. But I am not real worried about this. Why? Because this one has pretty dark edges already. I'll probably just go around it real fast to make sure. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and do this one more time so you see how easy. Again, it's 3 by 3, an inch, and then a half. Okay, super easy to score. Ooh, it moved. I want to make sure. You can certainly use more or less glue, it's up to you. I'm using art glitter glue. It sticks pretty quickly, holds pretty well, I mean very well. Really haven't had any issues with my art glitter glue holding in place. Alright, so we might have to trim a little, but I'm not too concerned about it. Just trim down the side. like that. Go back and pick it up. Oh, there we go. I'm going to put our pockets up. When you're when you're setting your pockets in place after you got your glue, that's the time to take a look and see if it's sitting straight enough to make you happy. And then because that's the time to adjust. If you need to adjust, that's the time. And this one needs to come up just a little bit. There we go. Just a hair more. That was a funny one. That one was a funny one. All right. And then all I did with this guy is just, you know, I started to add just a few little pieces. Little, once I got it open, I did. This little card that says journal. A little butterfly. I'll move that out of the way because I like our butterfly to be shown for sure. I might need to trim the butterfly, but it's all right no matter what. And we'll just put our little butterfly at the bottom down here. Oh, there's a little bird. I like the bird. Let's see. You can put the bird up front too. A bird and a butterfly. Put the bird at the bottom along with with our little stamp. I kind of see this one had a little bit of a wood grain look, and I thought it was kind of fun to go ahead and kind of make it kind of a little bit of a woodsy look. A little bit of a woodsy look. There you go. Then you can just hang whatever you want off of there. If you don't have charms, don't hang the charms. Just do some little ribbons. That would be pretty and fun to do as well. But, you know, it just gives you an opportunity to hang some little pieces off of there and to make it look a little bit special. And I like that idea because I like to make things unique if we can. And we're almost out of charms on this guy, so I'm just gonna grab this one here. There we go. There we go. And you can always make your own little pieces to add to your, oh gosh, that's right, I forgot about this guy. I was gonna put that in the back there, give it, see that? Yep, I like that. All right, so there's another little stuffed tag. Let's see, I guess I can see if I can find something cute to put it on. Or we'll just use this paper. There we go. This gives it a little bit there. See how cute? And there's the back. And there's the front. And there's the back of that one. So there you have it. I just wanted to give you a real quick tutorial on doing those little paper clips like that. I just thought they were fun to do. I mean, I've got a bunch of them ready to go here to make. I used some washi tape on this guy, so I'm going to be finishing that up. This one is the plaids, and I just love the way the plaids are going to turn out, so that's going to be fun. Make that a little bit more masculine maybe for the guys. And this one is almost complete. I just need to finish decorating it. So there you have it. I really appreciate you taking the time with me today. It was a real quick one, like I say, because I wanted to just show you what we're doing and see if you might want to give these a try. They're super fun, super easy, and they turn out This one, I'll just show you, this one here is just a little bit bigger, same idea. This one again is a smaller one. See? So they just turn out real fun. I think you'll really enjoy them if you give it a shot. So thank you for stopping by my Crafters Cove. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you so very much, and all of my current subscribers that are hanging out there with me. Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate you more than you will ever know. God bless you. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you again soon. Bye.